Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is word making from N to P. So let's start our class. Student, please look at the board. This is make two words with each letter. Make two words with each letter. Just look at the board, students. Today we will learn the word making of the four letters. Okay, that means we have to write two words with these four letters M, N, O, P. So let's start. At first, this is M. M for mango, M for mat. M for mango, M for mat. M for mango and M for mat. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. And M for mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Okay, once again, M for mango and M for mat. So mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. And M for mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. So M for mango and M for mat. Now the next one is N. N for net and N for nose. N for net, N for nose. N for net and N for nose. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. And this is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. So N for net and N for nose. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. And this is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. So N for net and N for nose. Now go to the next one. This is O. O for owl and O for orange. O for owl and O for orange. O for owl and O for orange. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. And now this is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So O for owl and O for orange. O-W-L, owl and orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Now the last one, this is P. This is P. P for parrot and P for pen. So at first parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And this one is pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So P for parrot and P for pen. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So P for parrot and P for pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So students, just I'm repeating today's lesson again, that make two words with each letter. At first M for mango and mat, N for net and nose, O for owl and O for orange, and the last one P for parrot and P for pen. And students, just please look at the board. This is our homework topic. Our homework will be word making from C to F. That means you have to make two letters with these letters C, D, E, F. Okay, so this is your homework, that word making from C to F, and you must submit this on Saturday. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.